place in Saint-Tropez. This is our parking place here. We have had a tour for 1 hour in this bay, surround Saint-Tropez and different towns and cities, and they just told us all that information, who lives where and when, and so on and so on. And yeah, we're gonna have a look around this city and go to the beach to get the sun bath and to swim and so on, you know. Here we are, Saint-Tropez. This is the boat parking over there, as you can see, and we're just approaching our place. Here you are. Not a big, not huge, a little city, Saint-Tropez, south of France. If you wish to come here, you can come and enjoy your time. As you can see, we're just approaching our parking space, you know. Here we are. This is our captain over there, and we can go out now. Okie dokie. We will see you soon. Au revoir.